1. The primary site of gaseous exchange in human lungs is A. Trachea, B. Bronchi, C. Alveoli, D. Bronchioles. Answer C. Explanation. Alveoli have thin walls and a rich capillary network, ideal for diffusion of O2 and CO2. Two. Which of the following muscles are involved in normal inspiration? A. Diaphragm and external intercostals. B. Diaphragm only. C. Internal intercostals only. D. Abdominal muscles. Answer A. Explanation. Contraction of the diaphragm and external intercostals expands the thoracic cavity during inspiration. 3. The process of breathing is controlled by the respiratory center located in A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Medulla oblongata, D. Hypothalamus. Answer C. Explanation. The medullary respiratory center regulates the rate and depth of breathing. Four. Which pigment carries oxygen in human blood? A. Hemocyanin, B. Hemoglobin, C. Hemerythrin, D. Myoglobin. Answer B. Explanation. Hemoglobin, an iron-containing pigment. The oxygen dissociation curve of hemoglobin is A. Linear, B. Sigmoid, C. Hyperbolic, D. Stepwise. Explanation. Due to cooperative binding of O2 to hemoglobin, the curve is sigmoidal in shape. Six. The Bohr effect refers to A. Increase in O2 affinity with increasing pH, B. Decrease in O2 affinity with decreasing pH, C. Constant O2 affinity irrespective of pH, D. O2 affinity independent of CO2. Answer B. Explanation. Higher CO2 lowers pH, decreases Hb's O2 affinity, promotes oxygen unloading in tissues. 7. Which organ acts as the respiratory surface in earthworms? A. Skin, B. Gills, C. Tracheae, D. Booklungs. Answer A. Explanation. Earthworms exchange gases through their moist skin, cutaneous respiration. Eight. The rate of diffusion of gases across the respiratory membrane is governed by A. Dalton's law, B. Fick's law, C. Boyle's law, D. Henry's law. Answer B. Explanation. Fick's law states diffusion rate equals surface area times con. In humans, carbon dioxide is transported mainly as A. Dissolved CO2 in plasma, B. Carbaminohemoglobin, C. Bicarbonate ions, D. Carbonic acid. Answer C. Explanation. 70% of CO2 is transported as bicarbonate, HCO3 negative in plasma, unplasma. The enzyme responsible for the conversion of CO2 to bicarbonate in RBCs is A. Carboxylase, B. Carbonic anhydrase, C. Dehydrogenase, D. Catalase. Answer B. The total lung capacity, TLC, is equal to ATV plus IRV plus ERV, BTV plus IRV plus ERV plus RV, CIRV plus ERV plus RV, DVC plus ERV. Answer B. Explanation. TLC includes all lung volumes, tidal volume, inspiratory and expiratory reserve volumes, and residual volume. The amount of air exchanged during normal breathing. A. Vital capacity. B. Inspiratory reserve volume. C. Tidal volume. D. Vital capacity is defined as A. Maximum air inspired after normal expiration. B. Maximum air exhaled after normal inspiration. C. Maximum air exhaled after maximum inspiration. D. Air remaining after forced expiration. Answer. C. Explanation. VC equals IRV plus TV plus ERV, the greatest volume exhaled after deepest inspiration. 14. The respiratory quotient, RQ, for carbohydrates is A. 0.7, B. 0.8, C. 1.0, D. 1.2. Answer. C. Explanation. For carbohydrates, CO2 produced over O2 consumed equals 1.0. 15. Which of the following animals shows countercurrent exchange of gases? A. Mammals. B. Amphibians. C. Fishes. D. Reptiles. Answer. C. Explanation. In fish gills, blood and water flow in opposite directions, maximizing oxygen uptake. (16) The chloride shift, Hamburger phenomenon, refers to A. Exchange of Cl in HCO3 between RBCs and plasma. B. Exchange of Na and (17) Myoglobin differs from hemoglobin because it A. Has 4 polypeptide chains, B. Has lower oxygen affinity, C. Has higher oxygen affinity, and no cooperativity, D. Does not bind oxygen. Answer. C. Explanation. Myoglobin, monomeric, binds oxygen tightly for storage in muscle, no cooperative binding. 18. The respiratory center is stimulated primarily by increased A. Oxygen concentration in blood, B. Carbon dioxide concentration, C. Blood glucose level, D. Body temperature. Answer. B. Explanation. Rise in blood CO2 or H+, strongly stimulates medullary respiratory neurons. 19. During exercise, oxygen dissociation curve shifts to the A. Left, B. Right, C. Unchanged, D. Downward only. Answer. B. Explanation. Increased CO2, temperature, and low pH reduce HB's oxygen affinity. Right shift. 20. In insects, respiration occurs through A. Lungs, B. Gills, C. Skin, D. Tracheal system. Answer. D. Explanation. Insects have a tracheal system, air,
तो दोस्तों, ये थे आज के महत्वपूर्ण नेट एमसीक्यूज। उम्मीद है आपने हर सवाल को ध्यान से हल किया होगा और नए कॉन्सेप्ट्स भी समझे होंगे। अगर वीडियो उपयोगी लगा हो तो इसे लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आने वाली सभी एमसीक्यू सीरीज आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंचे। धन्यवाद। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। तब तक पढ़ाई जारी रखें और अपनी तैयारी को मजबूत बनाते रहें।